Here is a late 1970s, early 1980s Montgomery Wards 12-inch oscillating table fan. This is basically a rebadged Tatung desk fan from the 70s and 80s. I found this fan lying face down next to a dumpster, and the oscillator currently, the gear is stripped, so it does not oscillate, but the fan runs just fine. When I found it, it had absolutely no power and did not run at all. So I just bypassed the thermal fuse and now it runs just fine. I'll show you the side here. It's also missing the oscillator pin. And the back. The interesting thing about these fans is they had a white powder-coated back rear grille and a chrome-plated front grille. Turn it around here, and I'll start off with low. Alright, thanks for watching.